Look tonight. What do you see? A million-sized diamond or a faded, washed-out canvas? It's light pollution, creeping tides erasing our birthright, the night sky. Across America, darkness is disappearing, replaced by a sterile, artificial glow. We are losing galaxies, entire constellations. It is like erasing a chapter from our history book. A third of Americans can no longer see the Milky Way. And at the current rate, in 20 years, even the brightest stars will be hidden. Light pollution is not just an aesthetic problem. It is a silent killer, disrupting ecosystems and endangering entire populations. Experts discuss the link between light pollution and increased risk of sleep disorders, depression, and cancer. And Native American elders speak of a spiritual connection to the universe threatened by light pollution. We can reclaim the night. Cities are waking up to the problem, adopting dark sky-friendly policies and embracing responsible lighting. Individuals organize stargazing parties, advocate for light pollution awareness, and educate their communities. Imagine a future where cities glow with a soft, contemplative light, where children know the constellations by name, where the night sky is once again a source of wonder and inspiration. Join the movement. Claim the Dark Sky Initiative in your city. Turn off unnecessary lights at night. Let's reclaim the night, one star at a time. The night sky is our birthright, our connection to the universe, our inheritance. Let's keep it bright.